Hi guys, back with the self-writing Granddads. What I've done is I've stripped down a couple of Poundland solar rockers, so we've got the coil and the solar panel and the circuit board and the magnet. What I'm going to do now is see if we can actually put a magnet in the bottom of here somewhere and see if we can get it to react to the coil. Not sure how much of a magnet we need in there to make it rock a bit. I usually use neodymium, and I've got plenty of them. Or do I try that one first? Because we've got it. I'm going to push it off to one side a little bit. See if we can get that down in there. Right, I don't suppose for 1 minute that coil will come off there easily without starting to fall apart. If you just try and pull them, the centre sticks to the glue and you can't get it apart, or at least it starts to unwind from the inside. I would say I have less than 50% success trying to get these apart. Nearly. I can see that some of them are coming apart. Oh, yeah, ruined it. There you go. There's the wire. Goes to the centre of the coil. Your chances of finding that again are 0. So that one's ruined. So this one, which interestingly enough has already come apart a bit on the top there. Right, what we're going to do here then, I could cut those off. Strong, yeah, right, back in a minute. Oh, that one's broken as well already. See that wire's there? So we'll have to do a bit of soldering already. In fact, they both come off. Oh well, we can do a close-up now then. I've done quite a few videos on repairing these solar rockers, but there's one wire and the other one is tucked in there. There's the other one. So both of those have come off where I've been messing around with it. They just need soldering back on to those 2 points. Right, we'll just see if we can film me trying to repair these. This one, where the wire had actually broken off in the centre of the coil, I've cut into the coil and just at random pulled out some wires. So we won't necessarily be perfect in the centre of the coil, but we've picked up some wires, which I will then solder them together and solder them onto the one that goes to the board and see if we can get something out of it. This one should just be a matter of soldering it back onto the circuit board. So we'll try the awkward one first. The wire itself is coated with enamel, so it won't take solder directly. But if you heat it up for long enough, it does actually burn through the enamel. It also burns through the copper wire. Right, any way I can do this so you can see what I'm doing. Right, that's together. If I try that over the top of it. Yeah, I think we've actually got something coming out of that coil. Enough to make this move. So we've got a measure of success there. I'll probably break it again, just moving it. Right, this one. A bit of solder on those tags so we can tidy them up. My hand in the way? Yeah, my hand's in the way. Oh, rude words. Right, let's see if we can do it this way. So I'm just cleaning the tags off. And then we've got to try and get these wires back on there. First one should be all right. Second one might be a bit more of a problem, just because it's because I'm working left-handed. get it in position first and then worry about left and right hand. Right, how's that worked? Tuck that back in there. Yep, that's repaired. Okay, so we've got that working. We now want to see if we can use that on the self-writing Grandad. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.